What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and I'm ready to start 2021 off with a bang. So I'm giving you a recipe that's something you can eat for lunch, you can eat it for dinner, you can take it to work in your lunch, and it's gonna keep you full, it's gonna be full of flavor, and most of all, it's gonna be poppin'. So I know how much you all love when my mom makes a recipe, so I'm giving you what you want. My mom is in the SGT kitchen today cooking up this amazing pasta dish using these gluten-free noodles I actually got from my boss. So if you guys want to see exactly what it is that we made, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.
First thing we're going to do is add some coconut oil to our pan that's on medium-high heat. And then we've got some vegan sausage, sun-dried tomato, and sliced onion. So we're going to start with the sliced onion. Just go ahead and add that in there. And then we're going to follow it with the sun-dried tomato. We're going to mix that around a little bit. Wait till the onions are translucent before going in with some orange bell pepper. And you can use whatever bell pepper you'd like. All right, followed by that vegan sausage. Give that a good mix. And so we're putting in the first 2 cups of our gluten-free pasta. Just kind of mash it around a little bit before adding in the remaining 2 cups. All right, and now we're going to take some Bragg's liquid aminos. And if you have the squeeze bottle, you can do that here. Or you can do like we're doing and using about 8 sprays of the Bragg's. All right, again, and mix everything together really well. I don't know how to say this. I've been calling it Zao sauce, but it's from Trader Joe's and it's really yummy. So you're gonna add as little or as much as you'd like. I'd say at least 1/4 of a container, minimum. And then y'all, I love vegan sour cream. The Tofutti brand is my absolute fave, and I like to add a lot, but you know, since my mom was making it, we're gonna do it her way. Then we're gonna have something green and living, so take a large handful of spinach and then kind of mix it around a little bit before popping your lid on top so that way the spinach can wilt down. And this is what it should look like. The finishing touch is coming soon, which is some vegan Parmesan. And then if you've been watching the channel, you know I like things spicy, so we're going in with some crushed red pepper flakes. And y'all, all you have to do now is just plate it up and enjoy. It is so delicious. It's perfect. So good, so good, so good. Let me know in the comment section below.